This is Putzmeister concrete pump truck boom. We're checking out the boom. Everything's fine on the boom. We've had a good look at the bell crank. We're looking for pins, retainers. Bell crank's a fairly large joint. Everything's okay. We've checked that. Now we're going further up the boom. The boom is fine. It isn't bent. There's good transition bevels in it. That's actually a feature from the engineering of it. Robotic looking welds. Again, we're checking this bell crank. This bell crank looks fine. Pin joints, retainers all in place. A little bit of dirty welding up top, but that's okay. It's a repair. Looks fine. Not cracked. Boom is fine. All the way to the back. See, the levers are well labeled. Outriggers are fine and there's no cracks in the outriggers. There's lots to look at on this pumpcrete boom, 32 meters. The cylinder joints look fine, but I'm going to have him open that up later. The main pin joint is fine. We're looking at it right now. There's only one area we've noticed there's a small crack in, and repairs have been made to the rear outrigger. On the truck subframe, we've noticed a couple of cracks. Serial plate. And the rear outriggers have been repaired. No, it's good. The tower's okay. There's no cracks in that tower. And the outriggers are fine. Simcoe concrete forming, Putzmeister, 32 meter.